Ouais, c'est à ce moment à l'avant, c'est pleine d'air, au 1035, zone de type des restrictions multiples de monnaie.
Saint-Marc-du-Lac-Long Quebec is a small village where CN's Pelletier Sub and Quebec Highway 289 cross over a narrow stretch of Lac Long. The Kesrail fanning crew is set up here where the rails and road cross each other at mile 34.43, with the mile 34 detector just to our east. It is a sunny and warm June 2nd, 2026, and our friendly crew on CN Z121 had called the clear signal to CN Glendyne just a moment ago and will soon be here. From our perspective, 121 is running pretty close to an on-time or normal schedule today and is being led by CN 3364. Also on the head end is 8358, a newer SD75 IACC unit, and 3027, with 3873 working hard as the mid-DPU. As to the title and track speed, well, if you think 121 is going slow for track speed, from CN Corchans to the east to a spot just west of us, track speed is only 35 miles per hour. Let's watch and enjoy track speed, yes, at Saint-Marc-du-Lac-Long CN Z121.
secteur CN, Pelletier 3-4. Aucun problème. Température 1-6. C. Total. Essieux 5-8-8. Vitesse 3-5. CN detector. Pelletier 3-4. No alarms. Temperature 1-6. C. Total axles 5-8-8. Speed 3-5.
The Mile 34 detector confirmed that 121 was indeed going by at track speed, and just a note, the track speed picks up to 50, just to our west. We also note that 121 has quite a few empty container wells, or baretables as they're known, on the train today. 121 will not be stopping at CN Tarte today for meet, usually with CNM 306, and we're just not sure where they will be meeting. We hope everyone has enjoyed track speed, yes, at Saint-Marc-du-Lac-Long CN Z121. Thank you for watching, and as always, we will post some photos of this 121 in the post section of this channel. Check that section for regular updates and for photos of other trains, old and new, and for information on other rail-related topics. Until we meet for the next fun adventure, hopefully with CNM 306, the Kids Rail Fanning Crew wishes that everyone stays safe and is having a wonderful day. Cheers!